Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell, I'm doing the bike tutorial, and you could probably tell from the title as well. It's nothing anybody suggested, I just happened to want to get new grips. So I got some new grips. Problem is that these are not lock-on grips, they're held on there with like friction or whatever. They're just stuck on there. So I've got to attempt to get these off. I watched a few videos, so I'm going to try a few methods and just show you what happens, I guess. So, yeah. Okay, so the first thing I did is I took the bolt out of here and moved this down as far as I could get it to where this is alone by itself. And then it said to put this like inside of here. So you're okay, as you can tell, I got it partly in there. It's about that far in there. Oh, and if you're wondering where the straw came from, it is from the WD-40 can. So yes, any said like anything with a straw like this will work. And I'm pretty sure it said to put like water in there, like just pour some water in there. So yeah, I'll do that now. So yeah. As you could tell, that did not work that great. It didn't do much. He kind of had it sideways. So I'm gonna try laying my bike down on its side and like pour it in. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to get this one off, not record any of it, and then I'll show you what actually ends up working on that one, because nothing's working yet. So, see you for that one. Okay, change of plans again. I've put it on the stand, because before I just had the back tire right in here, and that was not working too well. So I gave up, got the stand. I'm just actually just gonna record the whole thing, because whatever I end up doing, I'm probably just gonna not want to do it again. So I know there's a different way. You can use an air compressor, just it'll go off really more easily. I'm trying to do it without turning the air compressor on, but yeah. So I'm just gonna set it up like here, somewhere there with the tripod to go on here and just record the whole thing, and I'll record what is needed and like voice over it or whatever. So yeah, here it comes. So what I'm doing right now is I got a tiny Allen wrench and stuck it in there. I'm probably just gonna like skip this part because it's just me struggling to get it on. So yeah. Right about here, I start being able to twist it, which is huge because it wasn't even moving before. Right here is where it really started moving. I felt like I could just pull it off. But then I couldn't. But then I could. Kind of. It worked eventually. It was kind of hard to get off. And I don't recommend this if you have handlebars you care about looking nice underneath the grips even, because the Allen wrench did kind of scratch it up a bit, which I'll show in a second. Got rid of the straw thing. And finally, it was off. Okay, I got it off. That was very hard. So I think all you need to do, you need a lot of strength to pull it off at the end. You need water, you need the straw, and then like a smallest Allen wrench. I'll see what size this one was. This one was a 7/64, that size, or whatever. I think anything will work. But yes, now that is off, and I can put the other one on. It should slide on to there-ish. And also, if you're using an Allen wrench, just be aware that just don't use it with carbon, because it'll probably like break it or something. But if you have like whatever this material is, anything but carbon, it'll probably just like scratch it like this, which is okay because it'll get covered up by the grip, which will be fine. So yes, success. I'll probably record the other one too, just to see if I find a better method or not. But yeah, that's how you do it. Me realizing this is going to be way harder than I thought. Well, now I've successfully got it so stuck that I can't get it on or off. It's about that far in, like right here's the end of the handlebars. And I can't really get it off. I can't get it on farther. I'm going to try and put like an Allen wrench or something in here, pour some water in there, shove it on more. I'm not going to record this because when I like hitting it, the camera's like bouncing all over, and then yeah, so I'll see when it's on probably. And I have practice tonight, so I got to get this on by 4 at the latest. So I got like an hour and 10 minutes. So yeah. Otherwise, I'll have to use my other bike, which doesn't have suspension, but oh well. Okay, so I kind of gave up, and I'm kind of running out of time as well. So I just got the air compressor out, and it's charged and ready. So yeah, I'll set up the camera somewhere where you can view and finish doing this. So yep. We have success, finally. It's on all the way. Now I gotta put this back, and oh, that looks nice actually on the bike. Kind of. If only like these were white to go with this theme. But hopefully I'll be able to use the air compressor trick for this side as well, because this side does not have a rip in it. So yeah, I'll set this back up and see you for the other side. Got that side set back up. It's like perfect, one finger, finger, finger. It's like exactly where I want it. Now this side. Hopefully I can use the air compressor to get it off. Otherwise, I might just leave it like that for tonight and deal with it later. Actually, no, I have to do it now because I'm going to my cabin later. I'll do that now. I hope the camera could hear that. That was some weird noises. That was definitely easier than doing the whole other thing, so I'll need to move it a little bit this time instead of all the way down there. Let's get the next grip on, and then I'll be done, finally. I don't know how long this video is actually going to end up being. I know I've recorded. So yeah, let's get this on. And so far, I actually really like these grips. The other ones, they're like rock solid, just because they're pretty old. And I don't like this thing, I don't know why, it's just me, but I don't like it. So, yeah. Get the other side on. Complete, almost. I just gotta move this back and take this off. And then it's ready to ride, which is good. I'm glad I got that done before the end of my time that I could. So, yeah. Let's put this back on. This is all the way on. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Try and do the other bike tutorials you guys wanted to see. No promises, but I'll try to.